Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be my fried rice recipe. I think I'm going to label this as like a special fried rice because when I was trying to make a fried rice, that's what I was like YouTubing and Googling for recipes, was just special fried rice, and I tried a couple recipes as they were that I found, but and they're all pretty similar, but I just decided to just do it a little bit more basic, I suppose. I feel like for this, like the less ingredients you use, the more it actually tastes better in a way. It's not so out there. So yeah, so this is just pretty much how I ended up making it one day. Like I said, by taking bits and pieces from other recipes, or when I tried a recipe I added or took away a few ingredients. But yeah, one day I just done this because this is all I had, and this is probably the best I've done it, and I pretty much do it this way ever since. And we probably eat fried rice like once or two times a week. It's a little crazy, but ever since I've done like this, like Nick and I will just both been loving it. So I thought I'd finally share it with you guys. It's been something I've been meaning to film for a long time. So yeah, we will just get into the ingredients that you will need to make for this fried rice. Alright, so I got all the ingredients here. I'm pretty sure this is everything at least. So obviously you want some rice. I use long grain rice for like any rice dishes or anytime I have rice. So this is just what I always buy. Got some frozen peas, eggs, onion. In this I got diced bacon. And then to pretty much season it is soy sauce, ginger powder, garlic powder, turmeric, white pepper, normal pepper, and some paprika. So that's the only seasonings I use, and this is like the only fresh ingredient I suppose that I use. Yeah, frozen peas and whatever. So it's not much ingredients, especially compared to other fried rice recipes or special fried rice recipes. But yeah, like I said, this just like this minimal kind of ingredients for this kind of dish is what we find work best for us and what we enjoy the most. So while the rice is cooking in the microwave, I got everything else all prepared, so it's not even that hard to prepare. All really I had to do was dice up the onion, which I just used this thing I've showed you guys this talk before. So I got my onion there, the bacon there. So at the service deli at like Coles or Woolworths, I just asked for like a handful of bacon. Generally when they give me just a handful, that they always make sure, and I just say yeah, like I don't really care. But yeah, normally when they give it to me, it's enough to do like either 2 dishes like this or 3. So I just took out what I need. So I just took out what I needed today, which is about 1.5 cups, I reckon, of bacon. And this is just 1 large onion. And the rest of this bacon I'm just going to put in the freezer. I've got enough for another meal, like another dish of this. I used 3 eggs, normally use 4, but I only had 3 left. I didn't realise I do like mine quite eggy. I got about 1 cup of like frozen peas, maybe just a bit under. And I also have all of my seasonings open, ready to go, and the soy sauce as well there, just because it's a very fast-paced dish. Like you have to move quick and constantly stir everything. So yeah, I got everything all open and ready to go. Alright, so the rice has just finished cooking. I've just taken it out the microwave now. So I thought I'll just let you know the quantities of all the seasonings I'm using now because, yeah, I don't know, it just might be easier. So when I do the seasonings, I don't actually measure it. I just kind of eyeball it. So with the garlic powder, I'll probably do about a teaspoon worth. Paprika, probably about a tablespoon worth. The ginger powder, about 1/2 teaspoon to a teaspoon. The black pepper, just like a few grinds. The white pepper, about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. What else do we have? Oh, the turmeric, just like a little dash, probably like a quarter teaspoon to a half teaspoon. And the soy sauce, probably like 1 or 2 teaspoons worth. I think that's everything. And yeah, you guys already know the quantities for the other ingredients. I just thought it'd be easier to explain it now. But the good thing about this recipe as well, if you just want to make a small batch, then just do less rice and less of everything else. Bigger batch, more rice, more of everything else. Also, I got it out here just using my frying pan. Here, I don't have a wok, unfortunately. I really do want to have a wok. So that might be a Christmas present for myself maybe. But yeah, I just use it on my frying pan. If you don't have a wok, if you think you need a wok for this recipe or to make fried rice, you don't. It works fine in the frying pan. I just think it'll be a bit more cooler in the wok to do and a bit more fun. So yeah, I think that's all I pretty much have to do. Like I said, it's very fast paced. Very fast paced. I'll show you. I'm just going to be using one of these to toss it. It's like the wooden spatula. It's the best thing to use when doing fried rice, I feel like. So you can like really scrape the bottom and stuff. And yeah, I guess I'll start heating up the pan and start frying stuff off for the fried rice. Alright, so I have this to a medium-high heat. A lot of people are going to freak out that I use oil when I do the bacon. It's only because the heat is so high, that's why I put a bit of oil in. But yeah, so just want to heat that up, and yeah, it's easiest. It pops. It pops like popcorn, and it's a little scary sometimes, but I feel like having it on a real high heat gives it the best flavor and dries everything out to a very good, well, more so the rice, to a very good fried rice consistency. But yeah. Oh, my arm is killing me.
That's the dog book and that's the lemonade stand.
Yep. Alright, so that is the fried rice complete. I've made a little bit of a mess, as you guys can probably see and probably watch me do. But yeah, that's a pan full of fried rice. This was a hot plate, whatever I was using to cook it on. So I've just taken it completely off of the heat. I'll probably stir it a couple of times as it cools, because obviously the pan is very, very hot. And this is the heat setting I had. So at the moment this is off. You can see that's low and high. I had it here. So when I say medium to high, like this is medium, it's more high, but yeah. So now I guess I'll just pack up and clean up, and yeah. But that's the fried rice. Look how good that looks. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not holding it with my thing, so it's a bit difficult. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I don't really know what else to say, but I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.